Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my stories session with Inspired Tribes. 2020चं वर्ष आपल्या सगळ्यांसाठी खूपच अनपेक्षित आणि धक्कादायक होतं. जागतिक महामारीच्या पार्श्वभूमीवर लॉकडाऊनने आपल्यासमोर बरेच प्रश्न आणि संकटं उभी केली. पण या कठीण काळात देखील आपल्या सोबत अशी काही माणसं होती, जी अतिशय सकारात्मक विचाराने कामं करत होती. आणि या लोकांकडे बघूनच आम्हाला पण असं वाटत होतं, की आपणही काहीतरी केलं पाहिजे. विचार हळू-हळू मनात पक्का होत गेला आणि यातूनच वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रातील, वेगवेगळ्या एज ग्रुपची माणसं आम्ही एकत्र आलो आणि इन्स्पायर ट्राइबची सुरुवात झाली. सुरुवातीला स्वतःवरती काम करणं हा हेतू होता. लॉकडाऊनचा वापर लॉकडाऊनमध्ये मिळालेला वेळ चांगल्या कामासाठी वापरावा या हेतूने आमच्यातील गणेश चाफेकर यांनी एक लाईफ इन्व्हेस्टमेंट वरती वेबिनार घेतला. अ, केवळ आर्थिक बाबींचा विचार करत न बसता इतरही महत्त्वाच्या गोष्टींकडे लक्ष वेधण्याचा, स्वतःवरती काम करण्यासाठी लोकांना एन्करेज करण्याचा हा प्रयत्न होता. इथे असं लक्षात आलं, की केवळ वेबिनार घेत बसण्यापेक्षा अशी काहीतरी एक ॲक्टिव्हिटी गेली पाहिजे. सहज सोपी ॲक्टिव्हिटी ज्यात सगळे सहभागी होऊ शकतील आणि त्याचा फायदा प्रत्येकाला होईल. मग ह्यातूनच 5 क्लब या पुस्तकावर आधारित आम्ही एक 66 डे चॅलेंज घेतलं होतं. ज्यात ज्यात ग्रुपमधील सर्वांना न्यू मॉर्निंग रूटीन सेट करण्यासाठी प्रोत्साहन दिलं गेलं. मग यात मेडिटेशन करणं आलं, नवीन बुक्स वाचणं आलं किंवा मग इन्स्पिरेशनल व्हिडिओज बघणं आलं. मग प्रत्येकाला बराच फायदा झाला आम्हाला या सगळ्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीजचा आणि आम्ही खूप एन्जॉयही केलं. त्यामुळे ही ॲक्टिव्हिटी पुढे कंटिन्यू करायचं देखील आम्ही ठरवलं. मग इथे आम्हाला जाणवलं, की निव्वळ इन्स्पिरेशनल व्हिडिओज न बघता आपल्या आजूबाजूला देखील अशी बरीच लोकं आहेत आपल्या कामातून आम्हाला त्यांनी बरीच प्रेरणा दिली आहे. मग अशा लोकांशी प्रत्यक्ष संवाद साधता आला तर अ, ह्या कल्पनेतून मग माय स्टोरी सेशन्सला सुरुवात झाली. अ, इथे आम्ही वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रात भरीव कामगिरी करणाऱ्या लोकांबरोबर गप्पा मारतो. अ, आणि यात आम्हाला आमचं भाग्य असतं, की समाजसेवेच्या क्षेत्रात नामवंत श्री अनिकेत आमटे आणि श्री गौरीताई सावंत यांनी उपस्थित राहून आमचा उत्साह वाढवला. आम्हाला प्रोत्साहन दिलं आणि आम्हाला असा विश्वास दिला, की आम्ही जिथे आहोत तिथे राहून देखील आपल्या समाजासाठी काहीतरी करू शकतो. मग यातूनच प्रेरणा घेऊन आमची टीम बुधवार पेठेतील मुलांसाठी गणपतीमध्ये मोदक घेऊन गेली होती. त्यानंतर फूड पॅकेट्सही नेले. इन्स्पायरर ट्राइब्सच्या आमच्या टीमने गेल्या 3 महिन्यात माय स्टोरी सेशनच्या माध्यमातून वेगवेगळ्या एन-जी-ओजसाठी बराचसा निधी देखील गोळा केला आहे. अ, असा हा आमचा इन्स्पायर ट्राइबचा प्रवास वळणावळणाने सुरू आहे. ही सुरुवात आहे, अजून बरीच मोठी मजल गाठायची आहे आम्हाला आणि या सगळ्यासाठी आपल्या सर्वांचं सहकार्य आणि आशीर्वाद आमच्यासोबत राहतील अशी आशा आहे आणि आजचं सेशन आपण सगळे एन्जॉय करणार याची आम्हाला खात्री आहे. कारण आमच्यासोबत आज गर्ल ऑफ मेनी टॅलेंट्स तनिषी कोतवाल आमच्या सोबत आहे. तिच्यासोबत छान गप्पा मारणार आहोत आपण आणि ही जबाबदारी नीलम आणि श्रुतीने घेतली आहे. त्यामुळे आता आपण त्यांच्याशी बोलूया. नीलम आणि श्रुती?
चला ना, आलेत का सगळे?
We will try to make it in something in Hindi, Marathi, and English because we will try. Okay. Yeah, Shruti.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shruti, इको होतोय तुझा आवाज.
एक मिनिट.
दोन ठिकाणी तुझं चालू असेल, लॅपटॉप आणि मोबाईल.
ठीक आहे?
Yeah.
As we all know, Tan is a classic example of multidimensional persona. So she is very young, keen, and passionate scuba diver. She is just 21 years old आणि ती आता झुओलॉजी मधून BSc करते. तसंच तिने माउंटेनिअरिंग मधून ऍडव्हान्स डिप्लोमा विथ A ग्रेड कम्प्लीट केला आहे, विच इज आय गेस व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट. त्यानंतर अगदी लहान वयात तिनं हॉर्स रायडिंग सुद्धा कम्प्लीट केलेलं आहे. त्याच्यानंतर ती एक स्टेट लेवल स्विमर सुद्धा आहे. तिनं सेकंड डॅन ब्लॅक बेल्ट तायक्वोंडो प्लेअर सुद्धा ती आहे. तिला लॅटिन डान्सिंग, त्याच्यानंतर गिटार वाजवायला आवडतं, त्याच्यानंतर सितार वाजवायला आवडतं कधीतरी तिला. सो आता ह्या सगळ्या पलीकडे ती एक खूप छान अशी स्कुबा डायव्हर सुद्धा आहे. सो आपण आज तिच्या एका युनिक डायमेन्शन वर फोकस करणार आहोत. सो आपण आता वेलकम तनिशी. नीलम आता स्टार्ट करेल. नीलम.
हाय तनिशी, फर्स्ट ऑफ
Hi.
ऑल वेलकम. आणि एवढं सगळं ऐकल्यानंतर मला तर हेच विचारावं असं वाटेल की तुझं बालपण कसं होतं हे सगळं केलंयस तर.
So
Tanishi, you
लहानपणी
can Tanishi, you can use any language, because
okay,
so
yeah,
many people
I'll
are
yes.
keeping the messages that they don't understand Marathi.
I'll try to do Hindi English. I hope that's okay with everyone.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
So since I was really young, my father has, and both of my parents have actually given me a lot of support to do a lot of different things. And I think it was their philosophy that if they let us try everything, they give us an experience of everything, then eventually when we have to decide our career or our profession or what we want to do in our life, at that point it would be an easier decision for us because we have that experience of these various fields. So from a very young age, like when I was 1 month old, actually my father put me in the घर पे एक ऐसा बड़ा पानी का टब लेके ऐसे फ्लोट करवाया था पानी में, जब मैं 1 महीने की थी सिर्फ. तो तब से वो एक था कि नहीं, वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक्सपोजर देना है, ज्यादा से ज्यादा चीजें करनी है. सो ऐसा है कि उन्होंने बहुत सारी चीजें करवाई थी मुझसे जब मैं छोटी थी तब.
बट नॉर्मली कसं होतं की बाकीची मुलं शाळेतून आली, बॅग ठेवली, खेळायला गेली, त्यांची लाईफ वेगळी असते आणि तू एवढं सगळं मॅनेज केलंस, तर ते तुझं दिवसभराचं शेड्यूल कसं असायचं?
So actually it kept changing. Sometimes it used to be that I would go for horse riding in the morning, and then I would go to school, and पूरा स्कूल का दिन करके फिर शाम को मेरा स्विमिंग का ट्रेनिंग होता था. और फिर उसके बाद हम शायद कभी स्विमिंग का सॉरी अपना टेनिस का क्लास होता था, या कभी ताइक्वांडो का क्लास होता था. सो it used to keep changing, and when I became a competitive swimmer, तो मेरे स्विमिंग के सेशंस सुबह भी होते थे और शाम को भी 6 सेशंस अ वीक ऐसा होता था, सिर्फ संडे को छुट्टी. सो फिर देन इट स्टार्टेड बिकमिंग मोर फोकस्ड ऑन दैट. एंड स्कूल का जो होमवर्क वगैरह या पढ़ाई होती थी, तो मेरे पेरेंट्स का हमेशा यही मानना था कि यू नीड टू डू योर बेस्ट. as long as you give your 100% effort, that's more than enough. So अगर मैं सारा जो होमवर्क होता था या असाइनमेंट्स होते थे, वो मैं ब्रेक्स में स्कूल में ही कंप्लीट कर लेती थी, क्योंकि आई न्यू दैट घर जा घर जाके मुझे शायद टाइम नहीं मिलेगा ये सब करने के लिए. एंड मुझे बचपन से ही साइंस सब्जेक्ट बहुत पसंद था. So I liked science and I wanted to study more science. So वो मैं अपने ही it was something I liked. So I would do it because I liked it. So इसलिए वो थोड़ा शेड्यूल कभी-कभी हेक्टिक होता था कि yes, I couldn't go to play with my friends, या I couldn't go for maybe one of my friends' birthday parties या ऐसा कुछ, because generally I would have something or the other during that timing. So I couldn't go for sleepovers with my friends. ये सब होता था, but it's a part and parcel of life. If you want to do certain things, then you will miss out on certain things. So
ओव्हरऑल एक्सपोजर मध्ये टायकांडो, टेनिस, स्विमिंग, हॉर्स रायडिंग, माउंटेनिअरिंग, सितार, तर टायकांडो मध्ये तू काय केलं?
taekwondo मध्ये so taekwondoचे my sir is here right now, Arvind sir. He has been my coach for I think 13 years now. And वो मैं 7 साल की थी शायद जब हमने ताइक्वांडो का क्लास शुरू किया था. एंड it was started because my father wanted us to be able to defend ourselves in adverse situations, जो हम generally India में होते हैं. तो in case of any problem, we should be able to defend ourselves. And he himself is a Dan 1 black belt in Taekwondo. So that's why he decided to start a Taekwondo class for us. And under Arvind sir's guidance, I have completed my Dan 2 exam and I am currently a Dan 2 black belt in Taekwondo.
And then tennis.
टेनिस असाच क्लास म्हणून लावला होता. I haven't played any tournament in tennis, but मजा यायची because we used to go as batches, so it used to be the time that I could spend with my friends. So माझे friends लहान असताना कसे आई वडील क्लास लावतात की काहीतरी करायला क्लास लावायचा म्हणून, असं थोडंसं ते होतं. बट मीच ऍक्च्युली आई बाबांना विचारलं होतं की माझे सगळे फ्रेंड्स तर टेनिसचा क्लास करतायत, तर मलाही करायचा आहे तो, मलाही म्हणजे I want to do that. So they had said, okay, no problem, you can try it out. That's what that was.
तू Dan 2 असं काहीतरी बोललीस, तर ते काय आहे सांगता येईल?
Dan 2 म्हणजे सो तायक्वांडो मध्ये बेल्टचे लेवल्स असतात. सो तुम्ही एंट्री लेवलला व्हाईट बेल्ट असता. सो दॅट इज द मोस्ट बिगिनर लेवल म्हणू शकता तुम्ही. दॅट इज द मोस्ट बिगिनर लेवल. And as you progress, there is you go through color belts, various color belts, which show your technical म्हणजे तुम्ही टेक्निकली किती कुठे पोहोचलाय आणि तुमची मेंटल मॅच्युरिटी पण काउंट होते त्यात. अँड आफ्टर अ सर्टन नंबर ऑफ बेल्ट्स तुम्ही फायनली ब्लॅक बेल्टला पोहोचता. सो दिस इज कन्सिडर्ड वन ऑफ द माइलस्टोन्स की दिस इज अ लेवल दॅट यू हॅव रिच्ड, यू आर अ ब्लॅक बेल्ट. डॅन म्हणजे ब्लॅक कोरियन मध्ये. तायक्वांडो हा कोरियन मार्शल आर्ट आहे. सो डॅन मीन्स कोरियन. सो मी जर फर्स्ट डॅन म्हणलं तर इट मीन्स फर्स्ट ब्लॅक बेल्ट, फर्स्ट लेवल ब्लॅक बेल्ट. असे 8 लेवल असतात तायक्वांडो मध्ये. सो माझा सेकंड लेवलचा झालाय. परीक्षा असते एक, यू हॅव टू गिव्ह अन एक्झाम अँड देर आर पर्टिक्युलर थिंग्स दॅट यू नीड टू शो युअर स्किल सेट्स अँड युअर mental prowess and everything, and then after the test you get qualified for Dan 2
नेक्स्ट लेवल. ओके.
next level.
Okay.
Then
Tanishi,
horse riding.
एकच मिनिट Neelam. Tanishi, I just want to ask you one thing. There are so many things you are doing. So what was the age from at what you have started something and up to at what ages you did?
So I guess you can say that this life that I had of mine, where I was doing multiple things, where I was trying to do a lot of things, as many things as I could do. I guess until I was 8-9 years old, I guess.
Okay.
And around that time, when I was 9 years old, I got into competitive swimming. So once I got into competitive swimming, I had to go for morning training from 6 to 8 in the morning. 6 to 7:30 it used to be, because 8 o'clock I had to reach school. So 6 to around 7:30. And so 6 to 7:30 I used to go for morning training, and in the evening 4 to 6, 7 I used to go for training. So that automatically reduced everything else, and I was concentrating more on swimming. But at that point in time, my mom had a thought कि ये बहुत ज्यादा स्पोर्ट्स कर रही है, इसका फिजिकल एक्टिविटी बहुत ज्यादा है और उसको मेंटल कामनेस के लिए कुछ भी कर नहीं रही है वो. सो if I'm doing so many things, I'm continuously in a agitated state, I'm in a this adrenaline rush and everything going on. So it's not a very good situation for a developing child. So she had made that decision ki no, she needs to do something to calm herself little bit, even if it's just a mental she's just thinking about things, but she needs to be calm. So at that point my mom had decided to uh, make me do some sort of music. So कौन सा म्यूजिक करना है करके, तो मुझे आई गेस सबसे पहले सितार का ही क्लास लगाया था. So I played sitar for about a year and a half. And हमारे सर जो थे, मेरी दादी जो थी वो, उनका एक म्यूजिक क्लास था, वो खुद सितार बजाती थी, तो इसलिए मुझे वो एक चांस मिल गया कि टू एक्सप्लोर म्यूजिक. सो मुझे सितार का क्लास लगाया था, और पियानो भी सीखा था मैंने अप टू ट्रिनिटी ग्रेड 2. So Trinity is a internationally renowned music school. So
Hello. And we are. I think we. Hello.
Maybe some
very
internet
difficult
issue.
thing. बहुत लोग मतलब मेरे जान पहचान के हैं जिन्होंने कर रखा है 8th लेवल ट्रिनिटी. बहुत मुश्किल होता है वो, बट I have done only up to 2nd level Trinity grading exam. मुझे also बीच में Indian classical music का क्लास लगाया था, because it's a part of our heritage and it's a part of our culture, and it's something जिसका basic knowledge होना अपने साथ, it's an important thing. So वो भी करवाया था. And yes, ऐसे, so she was the one who pushed me into art and music and these kind of things, that there needs to be something that is calming my mind down and not putting a continuous stress on me. So
हे सगळं तुला आई सांगत होती, पण तुझी इच्छा होती का करायची, की हा हे मी आईने सांगितलं म्हणून करतेय, पण तुला इंटरेस्टेड होता का त्याच्यात ते सगळं करताना?
हो, मी ऍक्च्युली सितारचं जे होतं ते आई म्हणतच होती की म्युझिकचं काहीतरी करायला पाहिजे, आर्टचा क्लास लावायला पाहिजे, किंवा म्युझिक काहीतरी करायला पाहिजे जे थोडं त्या दिशेने आहे. बट आय ऍक्च्युली एक शो होता माझ्या आजींचा, द म्युझिक क्लास दॅट शी हॅड. There was a music show for the class for all the students to perform, and I had seen a sitar performance at that time of my sir and my grandmother. So I had only actually asked my father ki, I want to go and play sitar, I want to learn that instrument. So that's when they had spoken to sir, and he said ki ha, kar sakti hai, kyun nahi kar sakti. So that's how I got into. Most of the things जो मैंने करे हैं वो मैंने पूछ के किए हैं. Like when I realized that these are the kinds of things that my parents won't say no to, कि हाँ, अगर मैंने पूछा कि मुझे when I asked them for more and more things, that I want to learn this and I want to learn that and I want to try this and I want to try that. So most of the things that I did when I was young were something that I requested my parents मुझे करना है करके. मुझे कहीं पे देख के या किसी का सुन के मुझे लगा कि नहीं, I want to do this. So that's how it was.
आणि हॉर्स रायडिंग तिकडे कशी वळालीस?
माझ्या वडिलांनी केलं होतं हॉर्स रायडिंग, ते लहान होते तेव्हा. सो त्यांच्या आय गेस ऍक्च्युली मला पिनपॉइंट करता, आय वॉन्टेड टू पिनपॉइंट दिस पॉइंट वेअर I decided that I want to learn horse riding. But I think my father has learned horse riding before when he was young. जब वो छोटे थे तो उन्होंने सीखा था. तो उसकी वजह से कहीं पे तो था दिमाग में कि नहीं, मुझे ये ट्राई करना है. क्या है ये घोड़ा, क्या चीज है, बैठना उसके ऊपर, कैसे कैसे चलाते कैसे. एंड वो वैसे नहीं कि कोई मतलब उसको चला रहा है और मैं सिर्फ बैठी हूँ करके. Not like that. I want to learn to ride the horse. So
How
that's
was
how
the experience of horse riding?
And at what age you did horse riding, Tan?
I don't remember. I think same around 7-8 years old. I was
Okay.
7 or 8 years old. I started at that point, and I continued it on and off. I continued it for some time. Actually, it's thanks to my माझे मामा आहेत, my uncle, my mom's brother. I think he's there on the chat right now.
Yeah.
Gautam Mama. He's a ex army aviation. So through him, we got a good chance to learn horse riding from experienced people and like good horses and everything. So he's also a really big inspiration to me. त्यांच्याकडून
पण तुला जमलं हॉर्स रायडिंग? यू एन्जॉयड और का पडलीस बऱ्याचदा किंवा घोडा पडला अंगावर असं नाही ना काही झालं?
तर हॉर्स रायडिंग मध्ये ते असं म्हणतात की तुम्ही पडल्याशिवाय तुम्हाला घोड्याचा until you fall off the horse you're still going to be scared of it. You're still
Okay.
going to be scared of just going and sitting on the horse. So yes, मी घोड्याचे लाथ खाल्लेत आणि पडली आहे. So actually that is a very funny incident where I had to go to school immediately after horse riding and I had got new horse riding boots that day. Hand me down होते, माझ्या एका मावशीने दिले होते. सो त्यांनी मी म्हणलं हा येस नवीन रायडिंग शूज वगैरे मस्त हॉर्स रायडिंग करायला जाऊ आपण. आणि काहीतरी झालं आणि माझा घोडा घाबरला का काय झालं मला आठवत नाही. तो एकदम चांगला घोडा होता, त्याचं नाव मुबारक होतं मला आठवतंय. तो खूप जेंटल होता माझ्या बरोबर, खूप चांगला ऐकायचा माझा. बट दॅट डे तो कशाला तरी ऐकून का बघून काहीतरी घाबरला तो आणि त्यांनी मला पाडलं आणि खूप पाऊस पडला होता. सो फुल अर्धी माझी बॉडी चिखलात. आय वॉज इन लाईक मड. आय वॉज इन अ puddle of muck and I was half brown and half pink and black.
वाव.
तसं शाळेत जाणं आणि मग शाळेत त्या टीचरनी प्रिन्सिपल मॅम आमच्या खूप छान होत्या. She had helped me. I had gone to the office and had a shower or whatever, cleaned up. युनिफॉर्म तिकडे बदलायचा शाळेत जाऊन. सो कीचड़ लेके जाना पड़ा मुझे.
But what about
वेळ
this?
होते.
What about the study time? Because you are doing so many things. So what you mentioned already, Vidya Valley, or the school name and the teacher's name.
So,
But you were how you were in the academic or
so one thing was that I had a lot of support from the principal of my school, Mrs. Nalini Sengupta ma'am. So she is really amazing. She herself was an instructor at NIM, which is a mountaineering institute. So that's she's done the higher level courses than me in mountaineering. She's in fact in the school also they have this policy where up to I think 5th or 6th standard you have all these extracurricular activities. We used to have Indian music period, we used to have Western music period, we used to have all these various things. We used to have games, we used to have now there's climbing in school. Taekwondo is there. Taekwondo's periods astat त्यांना. They actually have a class for taekwondo and all these things. So she was very supportive and she knew that I was doing all these other things and exploring my world and everything. So she always helped in the sense that I would sometimes arrive late to school. Maybe I would miss the first period sometimes. So she had given me permission for that okay, fine, you're going for a good thing. So even the 10th standard, in my 10th standard, the final school trip hote ek. There's a school trip that happens. And generally it's like they make it compulsory that you have to come for that. Unless you have a really, really good reason, you can't skip that. But I had taken permission from my teacher because I missed that excursion and I went for my adventure course in mountaineering. So she was very supportive and I used to, because I liked the subject, some of the subjects, मुझे history पसंद नहीं था अभी, for example. क्योंकि वो पता नहीं मुझे तब वो पसंद नहीं आया history. तो शायद उसका कम पढ़ाई किया और उसमें कभी कभी कम मार्क्स आते थे, कभी कभी ज्यादा मार्क्स आते थे. It was not consistent कि I always did very well or anything, but in the subjects that I liked and the subjects that I knew I wanted to pursue ahead, like for example biology, that is the subject that I wanted to pursue from a very young age. So I always scored more than 80% in biology. The 80% is my lowest in biology. So and माझ्या टीचर पण त्या माझ्या फेवरेट टीचर होत्या, वंदना सूर्यवंशी होतं त्यांचं नाव. I think she's still in the same school. She teaches biology. She has also supported me a lot in terms of if there was a competition or something and I didn't get a chance to study, then she would accept that as okay, you know what, this is, she would explain to me that ठीक है आज तुझे 8 on 10 मिला, but you can't expect 10 out of 10 in your life all the time. So she's the one who, she used to explain that to me. कि ठीक है, it's fine. You had a legitimate reason. You were going and doing something important. You were not going and doing time pass. So it's fine. So yes, I guess you can say कि कहीं पे वो accept करना पड़ता है कि uh, sometimes because your priorities are slightly different, your marks may not be the top. Like you may not have like 100% marks or 99% marks, but you need to accept that because you know that that's not, मुझे पता था कि मुझे ये that's not my aim in life. My aim in life is not to get good marks or become a studious person. So yes, कभी कभी फ्लक्चुएशन होता था, बट जो मेरे सब्जेक्ट्स थे, मेरे जो फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट्स थे, वो कभी मैंने स्लॅक होने नहीं दिए क्योंकि वो पसंद था मुझे.
Great.
तू आता माउंटेनिअरिंग बद्दल बोललीस, तर त्यात तू इन्स्ट्रक्टर लेवलचा एक कोर्स केलाय, तर त्याच्याबद्दल काय सांगशील?
मी इन्स्ट्रक्टर नाही, मी ऍडव्हान्स लेवल कोर्स केलाय. सो ऍक्च्युली पहिला लेवल बेसिक असतो आणि मग ऍडव्हान्स असतो, आणि त्याच्या आधी ऍक्च्युली मी एक ऍडव्हेंचर कोर्स केला होता. सो माय फादर had done his adventure course way back in 80s, 1980s sometime, I don't remember when he had done it. तर वो मुझे बहुत स्टोरीज बताते थे कि एडवेंचर कोर्स में ऐसा हुआ वैसा हुआ, मैं सबसे यंग वाला था तो ऐसा ट्रीटमेंट हुआ, वैसा हुआ, ये चोरी में चला गया वगैरह वगैरह. तो मैं हमेशा उनको बोलती थी कि नहीं, आई कैन डू दिस बेटर देन यू, नहीं आई वांट टू डू दिस, आई विल डू दिस, आई विल डू दिस. तो फाइनली वो 10th स्टैंडर्ड में एडमिशन मेरा हो गया HMI में, हिमालयन माउंटेनियरिंग इंस्टीट्यूट. और वहाँ पे I took permissions स्कूल से and I went for that course. And वो बहुत ऐसा, it's not a mountaineering course, it's more of a like कि give a taste of what mountaineering would be to people who might want to do mountaineering. तो वो basic बहुत सिखाते उसमें कि ये ऐसा होता है करके. अभी हम सिखाएंगे नहीं, पर ये ऐसा होता है, ऐसे ऐसे वो सिखाते हैं उसमें. एंड हमारा जो मेन ट्रैक था वो we did a Sandakfu trek. It's a public trek, so बहुत लोग करते हैं वो. And the highest point is 12,000 feet. So it's not very high, ऐसा मतलब बोलने को गए तो it's not a very very high place. But the feeling that I had when I finally reached the highest point of the trek, I saw from Sandakfu you can see Kanchenjunga very close. So Kanchenjunga actually, Darjeeling is on the border of West Bengal and Sikkim, and Kanchenjunga is at the other side of Sikkim. So there's a whole Sikkim state in the middle. But वो Kanchenjunga इतना बड़ा दिखता है, you literally have to look up at it, and it looks so big. You feel like, from this hill, if I go down this side, I'll reach base camp of Kanchenjunga. It looks that big. It looks like it's that close. And all the clouds were like below us, and ऐसा वो feeling ही बहुत अच्छा था. So that's when I was like, I want to do this. I want to do mountaineering. It's something I like. I enjoy it. It's fun. So I want to do this. And then in 2016, I completed my basic mountaineering course again from HMI itself. I
How long
completed
that
it
was?
with, so the
Course.
adventure course is 15 days. The basic and advanced courses are 1 month long. So 1 महीने के लिए I had gone in 2016. And I completed my basic mountaineering course with an A grading. So the requirement for you to go for an advanced course is a A grading in the basic course. So if you get less than an A grade, then you will need to repeat your basic course. And advanced course के आगे भी जो courses हैं, जो search and rescue या MOI method of instruction बोलते हैं उसे, वो जो courses है, उसके लिए भी you need A grading in advanced course. So advanced course में A grading मुझे मिला, and actually I I completed BMC in 2016, and I went for advanced in 2017.
What is BMC? Sorry.
BMC is basic mountaineering course. BMC AMC, basic mountaineering, advanced mountaineering. So I completed the basic one in 2016, May of 2016, and I went for the advanced course in October, November of 2017, almost a little more than a year later. And actually, I was not able to complete it then because I fell sick over there. Uh, I had mm, taken on a viral from one of the other students who was in that room with me. We were staying in a dormitory. So जो मेरे साथ
Okay.
थे वो आई थी तभी उनको वायरल था, तो वो मुझे लग गया. Unlucky or some misfortune or something, I don't know what it was. And I had very high fever, and I had chest infection, lung infection, all these things. So I made the decision at that point कि मैं ये अभी नहीं complete करूँगी. मैं वापस जाऊँगी, I'll go back and I will come back and I will do it again. I will complete this
Okay.
course again.
All
So
of
I
this,
went.
what do you want to do as a
Sorry?
career? From all of this, what you want to do as a career?
I want to be a marine biologist. I
So
want to go.
please brief that definition, marine and all those stuff.
Yeah.
It's very, very new for us. We are, all Facebook and Insta people, and we know all engineering and doctorate. That's it.
So marine biology is basically study of life underwater, biology underwater, and marine का मतलब होता है कि salt water, not fresh water. So not your lakes and rivers and जो land पे जो होता है ना, वो वाले नहीं. जो salt वाला पानी होता है, that's marine water. And उसकी biology, तो उसमें जो भी life है, fishes है, mammals है, plants है, corals है, जो भी है, वो सब का जो study होता है, that comes under marine biology. So
For that,
basically वो research होता है,
course.
so as a scientist.
For that, you have to do some courses, no?
Yeah,
Like
so
scuba.
for that, actually, I decided around 8th standard that I wanted to do this particular thing. I wanted to do marine biology.
Why
And
8th standard? Why 8th standard? Why not after 35?
आता, so I think I saw a documentary, Nat Geo रहेगा या Discovery रहेगा. So my father used to keep pestering me कि don't watch all this time pass cartoon and anyways I didn't get time to watch TV. So whenever I used to switch on TV, I used to put on Tom and Jerry or something like that. So at that time, my father used to keep telling me कि no, go and try to watch documentaries. It will be fun. And one time I had come back from I guess taekwondo class या swimming, कौन सा तो भी class में वापस आई थी, and my father had put on this documentary on Nat Geo or Discovery, something he had put on, and वो पूरा ऐसा मतलब उसमें एक animal के बारे में था, which is called the killer whale. तो वो उसका common name है, it's actually called an orca. So I don't know if any of you have seen these. They're of the dolphin family, and they're quite big. They're much bigger than a normal dolphin. They're black and white in color. So generally, people, I don't know if people have seen this, but so this is what I saw, and I was like, ये मुझे ये करना है. I want to do this. And as a young person, as a child, for me it was that I want to swim with these killer whales and I want to talk to these killer whales. So that's where this thing of marine
कोणते
biology came up. Sorry?
कोणते कोर्स तू त्यात केले स्कुबा ड्रायव्हिंग मध्ये?
तर त्याच्यासाठी म्हणजे स्कुबासाठी मी सो स्कुबाचे भरपूर लेवल्स असतात. स्कुबा मध्ये फर्स्ट लेवल असतो ओपन वॉटर. सो त्यात तुम्ही बेसिकली it's a 4-day course, the open water course, and you have to do a you have to do just 1 minute.
काय आलं? पाणी प्यायचंय का तुला?
नाही माझं so I was in a different line. So
नाही, you continue. Don't
Okay.
She had
worry.
gone to her documentary.
Yeah.
ऑर्काच्या वर्ल्ड मध्ये गेली ती.
Okay. नाही, ठीक आहे. You can continue, Tan. No problem.
नाही so so पहिला ओपन वॉटर असतो. That's 4-day course. 2 days you have to do pool train. म्हणजे हाफ डेज असतात पहिले 2 जे असतात ते. So त्यात ते तुम्हाला पूल मध्ये ट्रेनिंग करायला लावतात. ज्यात they make you do pool training in which you have to they just familiarize you with the equipment, what what you're going to breathe with, the mask and jackets, or the wetsuit that you're going to wear, fins वगैरे, all these things that you need to wear or use. So all these things are you have to get used to these things. So that is taught in your first 2 days, and it's taught in the pool so that you become comfortable with these things. And on the next 2 days, then you have to go for dives in the ocean or sea, whatever, marine water body, big water body. So ते असतं ते 4 दिवसाचा कोर्स असतो तो, आणि त्याची थिअरी असते. So the theory of that is that you have to basically theory is available online now. So that is you have to study that and come beforehand. Abhyas karayla lagto no matter wherever you are. So generally it's made online. You have to study that and then come, and then you have to do the practical part. And when you complete the open water course, तुम्हाला एक लायसन्स मिळतो 18 मीटर पर्यंतचा. So that is so it depends on, there are 2 worldwide recognized organizations which are called SSI and PADI. So SSI is Scuba Schools International, and PADI is Professional Association of Divers, something like that. So they basically it's a lifelong license. म्हणजे तुम्हाला कधी तो renew वगैरे करायला, you don't need to renew this license. Once you complete this course, you have to do you get a license of to dive up to 18 meters. This is your first level course. आणि त्याच्या पुढे भरपूर सारे कोर्सेस आहेत. सो दॅट डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हॉट युअर इन्क्लिनेशन इज. जनरली जर तुम्हाला फक्त रेक्रिएशनल साठी डायव्हिंग करायचं असेल तर हा एक कोर्स पुरतो.
Okay. Yeah, Shruti.
हॅलो.
Yeah, Shruti.
येस. तनिष्की, मला तुला हेच विचारायला आवडेल की तू आता इतकं सगळं केलेलं आहे, तर हाऊ वॉज युअर जर्नी?
आय एम सॉरी, व्हॉइस क्लिअर
नाही, असं नाही. प्रश्न असा आहे की जर्नी म्हणजे तू असं डिसाइड कशी करते ही जर्नी? सी, हॉर्स रायडिंग टू माउंटेनियर टू आता स्कुबा. सो आर यू डिसाइडिंग समथिंग लाईक दॅट की नो ही जर्नी असं काहीतरी डिसाइडेड आहे का आता होत गेलंय असं आहे?
Initially it was not a decided thing what I wanted to do, and that I wanted to do more than one thing. So everyone always says that you should do one thing and you should excel at it. And for me somewhere I decided that I don't want to do just one thing, because then I feel like I'm missing out. So that's where I think I made this decision ki I will do these 3 things. So that's where the journey began, I guess I can say.
That three things are again, can you?
That would be mountaineering, scuba diving, and marine biology.
Okay.
So,
but when you are doing scuba, so how you are managing the mountaineer, or you are managing the year time or something like that, or how?
So that depends on. So you actually, if for me now, because I have said that I want to do more than one thing, or I want to do 3 things now, I have said. So in that, you have to keep prioritizing, I guess, at every given point in time. कि मुझे आज डिसाइड करना है कि ठीक है, आज मुझे decide करना है कि can I go for diving right now? I can't. So these kind of things, like to give you an example, I had to when I wanted to go for my advanced mountaineering course in 2018, I knew that I would have to miss my internal exam in college. So वो marine biology पे you can say that's like a step backwards. But it's if you handle it right at that point, I knew that I didn't have another opportunity beyond that. This was a unique opportunity for me to go for the advanced course. So at that point, I had to prioritize ki nahi, I want to do mountaineering right now. Or another example would be that in this year, my final year, I made the decision that actually the decision was aided by COVID, you can say. But मी decision असा केला होता initially की I will concentrate on my study for this year because it's the final year, and I'm take a break year after that and go for scuba or mountaineering or anything else that I want to do. Because at this point in time, one is that because of COVID, the other two are not possible.
Yeah.
But the study aspect is also important to me. So I did want to give that a good amount of time, and I did want to be able to concentrate on that. So I had to prioritize that way. So I guess you can say that every day you need to prioritize
Okay.
which
Okay.
one can be done and which one can't be.
Yeah. Okay.
Any funny or horrible experiences you would like to share with us?
Sorry.
Horrible experiences
Horrible
in
or funny experiences
funny or
related to
horrible. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. In scuba diving.
So uh, I'll tell you one funny experience that I had with. Actually, it was my first dive. So I was very excited. My instructor will also tell you I was over excited for the dive. Even in the water when we were doing pool training, I was looking around here and there, doing time pass, chilling out, and he's telling me to pay attention to what you're doing. And so we had to go down, and like while we were going down, like underwater, I was just so fascinated that oh, I'm underwater and I'm breathing. So I was just looking here and there, and I was not looking at where I'm going to land. So we had gone down, I guess, up to 4 or 5 meters below the surface for my first dive ever. And you have to go down and do like skills or something. So, Khalizatan, like while going down, I was not paying attention, and there was a sea urchin right below where I was going to sit. So I don't know if you know what a sea urchin is. It has like these pointy barbs all over it. It's like a globe with a lot of spines on it, like a porcupine. You can say it's the ocean's porcupine, but it doesn't move on its own. So and the spines are sharp. So it's for the defense of the animal. So I was not paying attention to where I was going, and I'm just looking here and there everywhere. And suddenly, my instructor, he was in front of me. He just pushed me away, and he's like, "Look at where you're going. What are you doing? Pay attention to what you're doing." I looked down. I was like, "Oh my god, I could have just sat on a sea urchin right now." So that is one thing. And that also tells you how experienced your instructors are. That they know what they're doing. They will take care of you, even if you are crazy like me and you try to go and sit on a sea urchin.
Tan, actually, scuba diving for us, for a normal people, it's like that Katrina Kaif wala. Okay, it's a easy that bas saas lo, saas chodo, something. So is it really easy as a scuba? Means you did a instructor course also plus.
I didn't do instructor. I have done मला वेळ अजून instructorला. माझे
Okay,
instructors आहे तिकडे असं नका म्हणू.
okay, okay. No problem, no
So
problem.
I have done a course called Stress and Rescue. So basically it qualifies me to give first aid, sort of, असं म्हणता येईल. So that course is त्याच्या पुढे भरपूर courses आहेत. Beyond that you have dive guide, then you have dive master and assistant instructor and an instructor. असे 4 आहेत त्याच्या पुढे. So there's quite a bit ahead up to instructor.
No, but
And
is it easy like what Katrina is
it,
telling all these guys?
it's
Or
easy, but it's not simple.
okay,
There's a difference. So it's easy because you can. It is bus saas lena. You have to breathe underwater. That's what it is. But you need to understand कि त्याच्या उसके आगे पीछे क्या कैसे होता है ये कि वो मास्क क्यों पहनना पड़ता है, या वो जो गियर हमने पहना है वो क्यों पहना है, किस लिए पहना है, उसका क्या यूज है, उससे हमें क्या मदद होगी. सब जो गियर है वो हमारे मदद के लिए ही है. So it's for it's to make your experience better. So all these things you need to understand. Once you understand these things, then it's as easy as just saas lena. So
but
that's the only thing.
have you any experience like अरे oxygen ही नहीं आ रहा है या any things have happened anytime?
So
Because so many people are in mountaineer also. Last time we heard the story of Anand sir ki अरे oxygen ही block हो गया था. Something like that happened with you?
So I've been fortunate that I have not had any such real experience. But there have been so in my stress and rescue course, my instructor had to give me stress because that's the name of the course. Under stress, do you panic, or do you take a wrong decision? Because you shouldn't, right? If I'm an instructor and there is some problem, so you know for that there have been so that was, I guess I can say, that was the most difficult for me. पण त्याच्या पुढे मागे I've been lucky that I've not
Please share that experience.
experienced.
No, share that experience if you have that. It's for the what you manage with the stress or not. I don't know.
So basically, a part of the course is that you have to be able to rescue someone, who's panicking on the surface of the water. म्हणजे कोणी, if someone is drowning, मग त्यांना कसं काढायचं पाण्यातनं वगैरे वगैरे, तर तो एक असतो ना. So the basic thing in that is that if there's someone who is drowning, the first thing that they want to do is get up and breathe. So they will try to find anything to push down to come up and breathe, because they're panicking. They're not thinking about it. So that's why when I had to learn the methods to do these things initially, माझ्या शिकवत होते की this is what happens. 2-3 वेळा माझ्या इन्स्ट्रक्टरने मला डंक केलं होतं की तू खूप जास्ती जवळ आलीस, कोणीतरी काहीतरी तुला बोललं, कोणीतरी खूप जास्ती पॅनिक झाला सुद्धा, पाण्याखाली बुचकळलं असतं तुला. आणि त्यांनी मला बुचकळून खाली धरलं पण 2-3 मिनिटं की हे बघ असा एक्सपिरियन्स असतो म्हणून. सो असे आहेत एक्सपिरियन्सेस काही, पण ते जर तुम्ही एक्सपिरियन्स, इट्स सेम लाईक द हॉर्स रायडिंग, अनलेस यू फॉल यू आर ऑलवेज गोइंग टू हॅव दॅट फिअर. सो जोपर्यंत तुम्ही ते एक्सपिरियन्स घेत नाही तोपर्यंत आय गेस तुम्हाला कळणार पण नाही की खरा एक्सपिरियन्स काय आहे.
So it is a part of training only, you can say.
येस, सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टँड व्हॉट आर द डेंजर्स. कळायला लागतं ना ते की मी जर कोणाला जाऊन वाचवायचा प्रयत्न करणार असले, मला स्वतःला हार्म होऊन काय फायदा. तर मी स्वतःला वाचवून दुसऱ्याला कसं वाचवायचं हे शिकवतात ते त्या स्पेसिफिक कोर्समध्ये. हा खूप पुढच्या लेवलचा कोर्स आहे.
ओके ओके ग्रेट. अजून मला असं विचारायचं म्हणजे तिथे ऑक्सिजन जसं वी आर ऑलवेज फेसिंग इन द माउंटेनियर, ऑक्सिजनचं बंद होऊ शकतो वगैरे. सो हॅव यू एक्सपिरियन्स इन द ट्रेनिंग एज वेल एज मे बी इन युअर एक्झाम दॅट ऑक्सिजन इज ऑफ अँड यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग असं समटाइम्स?
आय बेसिकली ट्रेनिंग साठी सॉर्ट ऑफ यू कॅन से द फायनल एक्झाम. तो त्यात बेसिकली त्यांनी मला यू कॅन से त्रास दिला कारण त्यांना कळायचं होतं की हिला त्रास होऊन पण ती त्रास करून घेते का.
ओके.
जरा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड आहे, पण जर मला इन्स्ट्रक्टर व्हायचं असेल तर जर कोणी असेल माझ्या समोर ज्याला त्रास होतोय आणि मीच त्या त्रासाचा त्रास करून घेतला तर मी त्याला कशी मदत करणार. सो त्यामुळे त्या फायनल जी ती टेस्ट होती, तर त्यात त्यांनी खाली जाताना छेडलं मला, यू कॅन से. मास्कच काढून टाकला का फिन्सच काढून टाकले. आणि मग मी म्हणजे मास्क काढून हातात दिला, आता घाल, आणि त्यात पाणी भरलं होतं ना, ते पाणी काढून दाखव, कसं त्याची टेक्निक असते ती काढून दाखव. मग ते फिन्सच काढ आणि फिन्सच हातात दे. आणि ते फिन्स घालायचे. मग माझे एकदा मागून ते इन्स्ट्रक्टरनी त्यांनी माझी हवाच बंद करून टाकली त्यांनी, की
ऑक्सिजनचे.
बंद झालं तर तू काय करणार म्हणून. तर त्याची ती एक साईन असते, की तुमचा हवा संपली तर किंवा बंद झालं, काही प्रॉब्लेम झाला तर काय करायचं, त्याची एक साईन असते. तर मी पहिल्यांदा एक तर ते असं खूप काय काय करत होते, की पहिले मास्कच काढ, मग फिन्सच काढ, मग जॅकेटच लूज कर, मग टँकच लूज कर, मग हेच कर, मग तेच कर. आणि मग त्यानंतर त्यांनी हे हे तर मी थोडी थोडी झाली होते मी स्ट्रेस, की अरे हे सगळं आपल्याला हँडल करायचंय म्हणून. आणि ते हे हवाच बंद करून टाकला होता मागून. बंद करून टाकलं त्यांनी. सो मला एक जरा 2 मिनिटं कळालं नाही, की काय होतंय? असं कसं झालं हे? तर पहिले मी चेक केलं, की माझा हवा संपला का नाही? पण संपला नव्हता, म्हणजे ऑलमोस्ट भरपूर होता माझ्याकडे हवा. तर आय वॉज लाइक, काय होतंय? ठीक आहे. मग मग मला थोडं असं थोडी कुठेतरी आयडिया आली, की ठीक आहे, मे बी ह्यांनी काहीतरी केलंय. मे बी. तरी मी एवढी पॅनिक झाले होते, की मला सुचलं नाही, की काय साइन करायची आहे, की माझा हवा नाहीये, मला हवा दे म्हणून. आणि ते पण शहाणे होते, ते असेच उभे थांबले होते, बघत होते माझ्याकडे. हां. काय, काय साइन नीट कर, कर बाळा, नीट कर. आणि मी आपली त्यांच्याकडे जाऊन त्यांच्या तोंडातलं काढायला तयार होते, स्वतःची
साइन
हवा
साइन
घ्यायला.
साइन काय असतं पण असं म्हणजे फॉर जस्ट
सो
एक्झाम्पल.
देअर आर व्हेरियस साइन्स. सो तुमचं हवा इफ यू सो बेसिक जी साइन असते ती असते ओके. कारण यू कांट डू अप और यू कांट डू दिस फॉर ओके, बिकॉज दिस मीन्स यू हॅव टू गो अप, विच मीन्स देयर सम प्रॉब्लेम. दिस मीन्स यू हॅव टू गो डाऊन. सो हे कधी करायचं, जर कोणी तुम्हाला विचारलं अंडर वॉटर आर यू ओके, तर हे कधी करायचं नाही. हे करायचं. आणि मग बेसिक ते सायन्स असतात, की इफ यू रन आउट ऑफ एअर देन यू डू दिस, और देयर अ फिफ्थ साइन, इट चेंजेस हिअर अँड देअर और समथिंग. बेसिकली हे म्हणलं तर लाईफ सपोर्ट संपला माझा, द्या मला हवा द्या. सो बेसिक सायन्स असतात ते. सो मग काही काही असे असतात, की चेक प्रेशर, की तुमचं किती हवा आहे तुमच्याकडे, ती चेक करा. त्याचे गेजेस वगैरे असतात. तर त्याचेही सायन्स वेगवेगळे असतात सायन्स. सो
So you are not following the sign what was expected to the instructor.
हे समटाईम्स.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Great.
सो तनिष्क, आता व्हॉट नेक्स्ट? आता पुढे काय करणार आहेस?
पुढे प्लॅन तर असा आहे, की आय वुड लाईक टू परस्यू a master's degree and then hopefully a doctorate in marine science, marine biology, and also simultaneously become an instructor in both scuba and mountaineering.
Instructor level direct. Okay.
बाद में ना इधर में सारा कपड़े का निशान हो गया, देख रहा तू पूरा पानी से
Hello,
ना
please keep hello.
देखना तुम बाद में, और ये कपड़ा नहीं दिख
तृप्ती अनम्यूट करता येईल का? ओके. सो when you are saying की तिन्ही याच्यातच करिअर करायचं, म्हणजे one is a study, one is a, you can say, all the both are the passion. But do you think it is practically possible that you can give it time to the all these three
I
things?
would actually technically say that all three are my passion. It's not that एक मी असं पैशासाठी करतेय किंवा दुसरा मी पॅशन म्हणून करते. I would say all three are my passion. And yes, that is the main thing that I want to prove to myself and to a lot of people. I think मी माझ्या स्वतःला सक्सेसफुली कन्व्हिन्स केलंय, की yes, there is this is possible that I can do three things and I can excel at them. It's not that I just have to be a jack of all trades. I
Okay.
can excel at them if थोडा मे बी जास्ती एफर्ट लागेल किंवा थोडा जास्ती वेळ लागेल. जेव्हा तुम्ही म्हणता, की एकच मी काहीतरी करीन, तर त्यावरती जर पूर्ण तुम्ही तुमचं 24/7 तुमचं कष्ट तुम्ही त्या एकाच गोष्टीवरती टाकल्या, तर येस देर इज दॅट फास्टर इम्प्रूवमेंट. तो तुम्हाला ग्राफ जो दिसेल, सॉरी, जो ग्राफ आपको दिखेगा वो ऐसा बहुत लीनियर होगा, वो आप अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में होगा, वो क्लीन होगा, आपको समझ में आएगा कि यस मेरा इम्प्रूवमेंट हो रहा है, एंड वो ज्यादा फास्ट दिखेगा. बट अगर जैसे कि मैं 3 चीजें कर रही हूँ, तो शायद अगर मैंने डिसाइड किया होता कि नहीं मैंने सिर्फ स्कूबा डाइविंग करना है और मुझे बस स्कूबा डाइविंग में इंस्ट्रक्टर बनना है और वो प्रोफेशनली करना है मुझे, तो वो मेरा मतलब 1 या 2 साल में हो सकता था, मैं इंस्ट्रक्टर बन सकती थी उसमें. बट बिकॉज मैं ये 3 चीजें कर रही हूँ, उसकी वजह से आई वेंट फॉर माई ओपन वाटर कोर्स इन 2050 and it's been 5 years now. So it takes time, and it takes little, maybe you can say little more effort, and sometimes you will have that doubt ki, it's like, for example, if I look at my family itself, मेरी छोटी बहन है जो खुद अभी इंटरनेशनल लेवल टाइक्वांडो प्लेयर है. वो मुझसे छोटी है, वो 3 साल छोटी है मुझसे. तो यस आई कैन से कभी कभी, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, मुझे लगता है कि उसको देख के कि हाँ वो कहाँ पहुंच गई, वो अब सक्सेसफुल हो गई और मैं अभी इधर ही हूँ, ग्रेजुएशन नहीं हुआ, इंस्ट्रक्टर नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, किधर है ड्रीम, किधर है किधर है. तो दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, वो डाउट्स आते हैं. बट वो यू हैव टू बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ, and you have to believe that you can do what, if you want to do it, you can do it. If you
Uh,
say you can, you will. You are correct. If you say you can, you will. If you say you can't, you won't.
okay.
It's your decision.
Yeah, but Tan, what is the difference do you feel always, the regular people, maybe 80-90%, and the person like you, like, all passion, you are deciding at 8th standard I want to do, you have to decide 9th standard I want to do. It's not normal, or it's not regular, not normal, it's a wrong word. But what you are not doing that others, maybe 80-90% people are doing, do you think?
Uh,
Time pass.
I guess the first thing you can say is that my parents and my family support me and they believe in me. That is one of the main places where I get my confidence from, because there are a lot of people बाहर बोलने वाले बोलेंगे, तो जिनको बोलना है वो बोलेंगे ना, नहीं ऐसे कैसे, तुम 3 चीजें नहीं, ऐसे ऐसे नहीं होता है ना, then you will become a jack of all trades,
Yeah.
is what is the general thing that people say. So and I think the one other thing that you can say, I would say about myself would be that you can never give up. कितना भी how much ever you are you feel like नहीं हो रहा है, it's not, I'm not able to do it, it's not possible, नहीं होगा नहीं होगा, वो बहुत, there'll be a lot of things that will tell you that नहीं होगा, it will not, you won't be able to do it, a lot of things will tell you that, but you just have to keep telling yourself. My swimming coach used to keep telling me before competitions that he used to make me shout, I will win. He used to make me shout, I will win, I will win. So I
Wow.
guess I can say I extrapolated that onto life. I can do it. And there have been times where yes, I was doubted, but I wrote it down. I wrote it down 5 or 6 times that I can do it. I can do it. And eventually you can see it in your handwriting also. वो फर्क पड़ता है कि you start believing in yourself.
Excellent and excellent. Yeah. So again that question repeat करतो मी, की तू काही गोष्टी मिस करते का, की या सगळ्या गोष्टींमुळे I am missing something in my life, or you are already done, की I am enjoying everything?
There are a few things that you will miss. There is always something that you will miss in your life. It's
That's
not possible to do everything. You can do multiple things, but कुछ ना कुछ छूट ही जाएगा. So I can say that I do miss sometimes that to like when I was younger, I didn't have too many friends. I couldn't go down and play with my friends every day, so I missed out on that, you can say. But I know that अभी जो मेरे friend circles हैं, जो I guess some of you saw the interaction I had with my diving instructors. So they are my instructors, but they're also my friends. They're my mentors. They're my guides. They're everything almost. So the people that I meet now, I can say that they compensate for what I missed out on when I was younger. So
Yeah.
there are a few things that I feel like I did miss out, like yeah, I didn't have friends, or I didn't get time to go for a birthday party, or I didn't, maybe I didn't get to eat how much ever I wanted. I had to be on a diet, or I had to I had to keep a strict fitness regime, or something or the other was always there. But yes, I can say that because I am following my passion and what I want to do, it doesn't make so much of a difference.
Great. We are really proud of you, Tan. I think this is the real start of Navratri. Navratri, we always talked about the multiple, तू देवीचा फोटो बघितला असेल तर त्याच्याकडे अशी मल्टी शस्त्र असतात किंवा ती चांगली असते, ती जेव्हा चिडते तेव्हा ती हे करते. So we are really happy, we are really honored that you are today on my story session. तुझी actually story, see guys, we have almost 55 people are in this session, and there are some people are in the Facebook live. See, this is a very big story, so we have a time limitation, but we have a very interesting thing for you today, Tan. So I will request Trupti to come in for the something little different session. Okay.
Yeah, hello. Hi, Tan.
Hi.
So, तुझी स्टोरी तर आपण ऐकली आता. Now let's see. Let's know you better actually with this rapid fire round.
Okay.
Are you ready for that?
Okay. This is
Okay.
new.
So first, simple questions, simple preferences. I'm going to ask you.
Okay.
Okay. I'm giving you 3 options. You just have to choose one. Okay.
Okay.
Momos, mutton rasa, or garam garam pitla bhakri theta.
Oh God. I can't make a decision.
You have to answer with one only.
नाही भाकरी आणि मटन रस्सा.
Oh.
Amazing.
Concentrate. Fuel
Okay.
conditioner.
Next one. Who is that?
So USC company.
Mute.
So yeah, somebody's talking. Can you please mute your noise? Yeah, Trupti, continue.
Okay. Next question. Yeah. What is more dear to you? Sleep or Netflix?
Sleep.
Okay.
Very easy answer. Sleep.
Okay. Dog or cat?
Dog.
Actually, that's a stupid one. Yeah. I know
Dog.
dog.
I have 2 dogs. Yes.
Okay. Next one. What would you like to have? Makeup kit or snow boots?
Snow boots.
Okay.
Yeah, snow boots. I don't have snow boots.
This one can be a little tricky for you. Himalayas or Sahyadris?
I would say Sahyadris, because it is one is its home. It's my home. It's
Right.
where I'm from. And the other part is that it's just so unique. It's so different. I find it very different from any other ecosystem. Even the Himalayas themselves are amazing, like not taking nothing away from them. They are amazing, and I would love to go there, but given a choice, I would always go for कुठल्या तरी किल्ल्याला जायचं किंवा कुठल्या तरी आपल्या सह्याद्रीतच कळसुबाई वगैरे करायची.
Okay, great. Next one. Darjeeling or Havelock Andaman?
That's a very difficult one.
It is
I'll say
kind
Havelock
of,
because I haven't been.
it is like choosing
Yeah.
between mountaineering and scuba.
So I would say Havelock. One, because I haven't been there and I've been to Darjeeling like 3 or 4 times.
Okay.
And I do prefer being underwater.
Instructors
I
are
know.
there. That's why, Tan, you are manipulating. I know.
शिल्पा always tells this. Tan जेव्हा पाण्याखाली असते तेव्हा ती वेगळी असते आणि like underwater and above what? Like,
Mountain. Above mountain.
at the high altitude and lower one. Okay, next one. Your favorite author, Dan Brown or Amish Tripathi, and why? Answer in one sentence.
It will change depending on my mood.
Okay.
Because I like Dan Brown's complexity and the way he writes. His writing is very descriptive. So I prefer his method of writing, the way he writes his stories and everything. But I've recently become more interested in mythology and Indian history and Peshwai and all these things. So Amish is started to it started to look a lot more interesting. I've
Okay.
read all of Amish's books and most of Dan Brown's books. So
Great.
yeah.
Next one. These are some thought-provoking ones. Okay.
Okay.
So which is more important, strength or agility?
For me, I think particularly for me, I would say strength because, and not just your physical strength, but mental strength, because that is where most जास्तीत जास्त लोक तिथे मार खातात की you have a dream, you have something, you have a passion, you want to do it, you have to have the mental strength to pursue it, because no matter what field you choose, even if I decide to become an artist, it's difficult. If it doesn't matter if I want to study German like you, it's different, it's difficult, it's different, it's difficult. You have to have the strength of mind, so I would say strength.
Okay, great. Next one, be understanding or be determined?
I think this is like a heart versus brain choice. uh, I think the correct answer would be be determined, but I think I would be understanding in
Okay.
a given situation. And also, I'd be not understanding on myself, as I've been told by a lot of people that I'm not understanding on myself. But on other people, yes, if I would be
But
understanding.
I would disagree here with you because
Okay.
I remember you had gone for that advanced mountaineering course, and like in first attempt you couldn't complete it
I
because
couldn't
you fell
complete it.
sick. But again, the next year you went there and you completed it. That is really amazing.
That was the determination that's when
Yes.
I said I will not be under. I was. It was a low period for me when I came back for about a week, you can say. When I came back, I was not understanding with myself. I was very mad at myself because I thought that somewhere I thought that what if I had just pushed myself and just
Yeah.
completed, what if? So that
Okay.
what if is always there.
Okay, next one, hard work or intelligence?
Intelligent hard work.
Smart.
Yeah. No.
Okay. Friends or goals?
uh Very tough one again. Brain versus heart situation. Goals would be the correct answer.
Or
But
goals with the
I
friends.
guess sometimes goals with the friend. But the thing is, sometimes if you are following your passion, then you find friends with common goals. So
Yeah,
you don't need to choose.
excellent. Okay, now what is Tanishi best described as? Yeah, goal oriented or finisher?
I would say finisher because I mean I'd prefer to be goal oriented, but I know that sometimes I'm not. I know that sometimes I slack off. I don't, follow a schedule, or I don't. I have a particular, or I have a particular fitness regime, but I'll slack off for a week or something. So I know I'm not goal oriented, but I know that come what may, I will finish it. I will do it. I will complete what I have set out to do. So
Great. Okay, next one, calm and determined or passionate and ambitious?
passionate and ambitious. I don't think I'm calm.
Okay, but sitar makes you calm, I guess.
I think yes. I guess that's why my mom was like, do something to become calm. You're not calm.
Right. Okay, compassionate or soft hearted?
I would say soft-hearted.
Okay. Tough cookie or strong-willed?
That's a tough one. Strong-willed, maybe. I think. Yeah.
Good. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
The
Yay.
rapid fire ends
Ganesh sir,
here.
I'd like to interrupt in between. Sorry.
Yeah, please.
So
Arvind,
while
sir.
all this is going on, we forgot to mention that Tanish has also worked in a Marathi movie, which was launched uh, pre-lockdown, and
COVID, yeah.
then that it was the first day, and then the next day it was lockdown.
Oh my God!
So
So we
you
will
watch.
see as a heroine also in next day.
Not a
I
hero.
use
So
a
tell
Katrina
us
Kaif.
about that.
Yeah,
Also,
please.
Tanish.
Tan, please tell us.
So
Thank you,
basically
sir.
Yeah.
I've done like triathlons. As you know, I've competed in 1 or 2 national level triathlons. So this particular Marathi movie required triathletes, and through
Name the
some
movie. Name the movie.
the name of the movie is Vijeta. तर त्यात सुबोध भावे आहेत आय गेस सगळ्यांना माहिती असतील सुबोध भावे आणि पूजा सावंत आहेत सो पूजा सावंत यांच्या बरोबर मी काम केलंय आय so she's supposed to be a triathlete and I was supposed to lose to her. So yeah, that's what I was in. I was an extra. I came third. I was supposed to come third.
Okay,
Okay.
great.
So we will have a very amazing photo of Tanishi.
Start sharing the screen.
Yeah. So Tanishi, it's again a different segment of our My Story session. So you have to remember all these memories and.
Tell us more
I'm
about
too
it.
small here. I don't remember this, but it's an iconic picture because I was never afraid of the water. I have never had a time in my life where I've been like, मुझे swimming नहीं आता या
आणि तेव्हा
पानी से
बर्स्ट
डर
मोड पण
लगता है.
नव्हते त्याच्यामुळे हा कॅप्चर खूप छान केलाय.
हा बाबांनी
Yeah.
काढलाय.
Exactly.
I think बाबांनी काढलाय.
Okay.
He has taken this amazing picture. Yes, there we go. That's Baba and that's me.
Okay.
आमच्या स्कूलमध्ये. So ही माझी आई आहे. I am behind my mom. आणि माझे 2 दादा आणि बाबा. दादा चुलत.
आणि मी जन्मलेले नव्हते.
हो ते बरोबर.
Thanks for confirming.
I was not there.
Wow.
This is sitar. So actually, I had a small size sitar because I was too small and I could the huge sitar that is there that I couldn't reach the top notes.
Okay.
So I had to use a modified small sitar, like you
Okay.
can see over here. This is Baba. Me and Nishita is here. He's behind.
Okay.
सो लहानपणीपासून डोंगरावरती न्यायचं ट्रेकिंग करवायचं बाबांचेच काम आहेत आनंद सर इफ इज हियर इज गोइंग टू लाफ
Yeah, Anand sir.
No, I'm not laughing. Don't worry.
this is wall climbing. I'm so sorry. This is wall climbing.
ती क्लाइंब करते का रोप ओढते कळत नाहीये.
नाही ती नाचते असं वाटतंय वॉल वरती.
Yeah.
Don't mention that.
The second trek, I guess. Hello, Tan.
Yes. So, एक तरी मिस झाला आय थिंक.
Sorry.
हा पण ओके सो हिअर आय एम इवन स्मॉलर. आय एम इन माय बाबाज मांडी.
ऍक्च्युली हे स्मृतिवनचा फोटो आहे.
ओके.
Okay.
I don't remember.
स्मृतिवन मध्ये एका आजोबांच्या मेमरी मध्ये झाड लावायला गेलो होतो तेव्हाच आहे.
Wow. Great. Yeah. Yes, Tan. This is first.
This is my BMC course. So this is like the first time. This is the first time I was wearing the full gear.
Okay.
Photo काढलाय ice axe वगैरे सगळं. This is my Dan 1 ceremony. So first black belt when I qualified. This is Arvind sir. He's been my teacher for 13 years now. I'm very lucky to have all these mentors in my life. This was I'm very stiff. I'm not flexible at all. So this is the torture I had to go through to become flexible. The khidkicha on the grill. On the grill of the you can't see it in this picture, but the grill of the window outside, I have put my leg over there. Stretch it.
After seeing this picture, nobody will say that you are not flexible.
I was very, very inflexible. This is I had gone for an enduro race earlier this year, so it's an adventure race. You'll see a same picture of my father ahead. So okay, this is cycling triathlon.
These are the pictures from the movie.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yes.
Cycling picture is also movie picture only.
Yeah. This is swimming.
This is swimming, yeah.
Also from the movie.
Oh, this is also from movie. Okay, so real picture कुठे आहे? Tan.
रिअल पिक्चर बाबांनी काढले नाही, माझी फॉल्ट नाही.
Okay.
आता मी कॉम्पिटिशन मध्ये होते, मी कुठे काढू फोटो.
Okay, this is I think first attempt, no? Of mountaineer.
This is yeah. This is BMC only. This is our first day of icecraft. So it was like one of the first days when I had seen like a glacier, and I was like, oh wow, hey. आणि स्नो बूट्स घालून क्रॅम्पॉन्स वगैरे कसे घालायचे ते ऍक्च्युली वापरले. एक तर चालता येत नाही पहिले त्या क्रॅम्पॉन्स घालून, इतके जड आहेत ते. सो आय वॉज स्ट्रगलिंग विथ दॅट,
but definitely it was nice experience.
It was amazing experience, sir. तुमच्यामुळे.
And there were 10 days they had 10 days ice craft.
Oh my god.
10 days.
बाबांना केलं ना? कर ना बाबांना पण. लागत नाही का?
This is what? Sir, mute करा.
Recent artwork.
Anand sir
mute करा. हाँ, okay, Dan.
This is just some recent artwork. I don't know what came in my head.
You have not mentioned about your artwork. मला वाटलं फक्त
That is just नाही, असंच टाइमपास म्हणून काहीतरी काढायचं म्हणून गाणी ऐकता it depends on the mood of the song.
Okay.
So
हा पण मूवी.
हा पण मूवीतला आहे. I had to try to look very, very tired. So that's what I was not that tired. I was trying to look very tired, but I was not. हा बाबांचा एंड्योरोचा रेस आहे. He did it in 2003, the top left corner. And Khalti, this is my enduro, and those are my teammates, Sarvesh Nawande and Jayesh. So, EMP team. This is again enduro. So we finished first in our category.
Wow.
It was on, you can see over there, 8th and 9th Feb 2020.
Yeah.
Which category you participate, Tanishi?
Sir, I did 72 kilometers. जो आहे.
Open or amateur?
नाही sir, college in mix.
Okay.
Here come a scientist, Tan.
This was we were doing a project in microbiology. So this is our micro lab in Modern College, and so we had to do some isolations and lab work and everything. So this is
One question.
Our teacher had told us that you need to document everything because you need the proofs. So that's why we had to take some pictures. की हा मीच काम करतेय, माझंच काम आहे म्हणून. So that's what it is. Oh, this is the newest additions to our family. This is Kino. With me is Kino, and with Nishita, that's my sister, is Veer. हे आता ह्याचे ट्रिपल साइज झालेत. This I wanted to show because this is my mother, and don't be fooled by the white hair. She's very young, and this was on my 19th birthday, and she refused to let me carry her cycle up the stairs. तिने मला अलाउडच केलं नाही की तू घे म्हणून सायकल. सो मी म्हणलं ठीक आहे, आता मी काय करणार, तूच उचल. सो आईनी स्वतःची सायकल ती उचलून जिन्यावरनं वर नेली आणि सायकल केली. This is what I have to live up to.
Okay, so these are all photographs. Fantastic. There are some questions, so many questions to you, Tan. Do you overthink trying a skydiving?
I want to do skydiving, yes, but as and when time permits, and it's kind of We have to do that
So,
together.
Yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
The
to do that
closest
together.
that they have been to skydiving would be when we had gone to Billings and where we did paragliding, but they were not allowed because they were too less in weight. They were
Okay.
below 40 kilos, and then the paragliders to do a tandem flight require the person to be at least 40 kilos. तेव्हा त्या वयाचे ते 40 किलो पण नव्हते भरत.
Actually, that trip, the main thing for me was that I went for my first high altitude trek with my father. That was up to 11,000 feet.
Which
That
was
was
it?
my
Where was
first.
it?
Billing is an international skydiving म्हणते आपलं paragliding
Paragliding.
location.
Yeah, yeah.
So त्याच्यात billing is like a hill. So त्याच्या मागे I don't clearly remember what it was, but it was just me and Baba, and we had gone for a trek together. 11,000 feet sack वगैरे घेऊन स्वतःची pack करून.
Okay.
स्वतःची bag
It was
स्वतः
my
घेऊन,
first
नाही का?
high
Okay.
altitude trek.
Okay. Great going. तृप्ती तुला आता सेशनचं काय म्हणतात कन्क्लूड
Okay.
किंवा
Before I conclude, I have one question. Dan.
Yes.
Okay. So you like mountaineering and you want to go into marine biology, yeah? You want to become a researcher there.
Yeah.
And I remember you have mentioned it once. So how you're going to combine these two passions with, in future?
So I think so basically, my parents have asked me this question a few years ago, where they have said that, what do you picture yourself as, when you think that you have achieved what you want to achieve? So they have, that's when I had pictured this, that, I go for like my research on the boat. So there are like labs on boats nowadays. So you can go and you can do most of your basic, like once you collect the sample, you need to do the test immediately when the sample is fresh and everything. So all that work. So I go out on the boat and I do all my work, all my science stuff, and I do my diving for like, collecting the sample or whatever. And I do that, and then I come back and like I have a dog with me and I go for a trek to, wind up the day, and that's how
So the question is like mountain and diving both together where it is possible.
So I've researched this particularly. One of the main places is New Zealand, where you have good scope for both. Good enough scope. Like, ठीक है, तुम्हारा Mount Everest मिलणार नहीं, but there's a good enough scope.
Okay, wonderful. Somebody is saying, should you try for climbing in Mount Everest in the future? I think you should try it once.
I want to. Anand Saranshi बोलून झालंय. That's where the BMC and AMC came from. All my training before basic and advanced mountaineering, Anand sir has only taken for me, and I'm very lucky to know him. So.
Yeah. Any more questions? Or should I conclude now?
Yeah. Go ahead, Trupti.
Okay, so आपण आतापर्यंत खूप लोकांना भेटलो माय स्टोरी सेशन मध्ये.
Try to speak in English or Hindi. So many people are. Yeah.
Sure. We have met so many people, and most of them had one goal, and they followed their path and succeeded in that. Okay, but now the paradigm shifted, and here we see Tanishi doing so many things, multiple things, and excelling at it. Yeah. Tanishi, at the very young age of 14, 15, I guess, decided to do all these things. And right now, she is a mountaineer, a scuba diver, and she is on her path of being a scientist researcher. So many people think that I wanted to do this and I couldn't do that. I wanted to achieve this and that. But due to time or some other excuse, one cannot finish that. Yeah. But when we look at TAN, there is a hope that yes, we can do multiple things and we can do and we can excel in that as well. So from today's session, I can conclude a few points like you can be free in your thoughts. Don't just think about that I might not have time for many things. I should just focus on one thing or so. Please be free in your thoughts. Yeah, you can achieve multiple things also. Then nothing is impossible. Yeah, as we see, this young girl can complete her advanced mountaineering plus scuba diving plus she is also a very good dancer. Yeah, that we haven't mentioned here, but I have seen her dancing also. She plays sitar, guitar, and whatnot. And also, she's a wonderful artist. Yeah. Next point, I would say, trust yourself and your instincts. That's what Tanishi did, and we all can also follow that. Then, very important, do not be afraid of hard work, because without hard work, you really can't get what you want. Yeah. Another thing would be, don't be scared to be unconventional. Generally, what people do, and if we just try to follow that, we cannot be unconventional. We have to do something different. So if we think about some different activity or which things which challenge you or inspires you, please go for it. Another way would be finding your calling in life. Don't be surprised if you find it in multiple aspects and places. It can happen. So set your goals, plan your life, be consistent, work hard, and achieve it. Yeah, that's what I want to say. Thank you so much, Tanishi. And now I give the word to Dipali. Yeah, Dipali, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Yeah, please turn your video on.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go ahead, Dipali.
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Go ahead, Dipali.
First of all, thank you, Tanishi, for sharing your wonderful and exciting experiences from the childhood. तुझे मनपूर्वक आभार. तुझे जे अनुभव आहेत ते सर्व ऑडियन्स साठी म्हणजे ऍज अ पॅरेंट असेल तर त्यांच्या मुलांसाठी किंवा ऍज अ यंगस्टर असेल तर त्यांच्या पुढच्या करिअर साठी हे खूप उपयोगी आणि इन्स्पिरेशनल आहेत. त्याच्यामुळे यू आर द वन ऑफ द सिम्बॉल ऑफ वुमन्स पॉवर. म्हणजेच तू स्त्री शक्तीचं एक प्रतीकच आम्हाला वाटत आहेस. त्याचबरोबर माय स्टोरी सेशनचे एवढे व्यवस्थित चोख पद्धतीने नियोजन केल्याबद्दल माय स्टोरी सेशन कोर्सच्या सर्व टीम मेंबर्सचे मला मनापासून आभार मानावेसे वाटतात. त्याच्यानंतर उपस्थित सर्व श्रोत्यांचे मनपूर्वक आभार. आता आपण यापुढील सेशनच्या ज्या प्रमुख पाहुण्या आहेत गौरी ब्रह्मे यांची थोडक्यात माहिती बघून घेऊया. गौरी ब्रह्मे या एक टॅलेंटेड
दीपाली, तुझा आवाजमध्ये नॉईज येतोय.
गौरी
नॉईज येतोय आवाज.
हॅलो, आवाज येतोय सर?
आवाज येतोय, फक्त नॉईज येतोय. तर हा,
गौरी ब्रह्मे या रायटर आणि तसेच 20 वर्षांपेक्षा अधिक अनुभव असलेल्या एक जर्मन शिक्षिका आहेत. तसेच त्यांचे जे फेसबुक वरील पोस्ट आहेत ते अनेक रीडरसाठी एक डिलाइटफुल मुवमेंट किंवा एक आनंदाची पर्वणीच असते. तसेच त्यांचे व्यक्तिमत्वाचे प्रतिबिंब म्हणजे त्यांची पुस्तके आणि त्यांचा सोशल मीडियातील प्रेझेन्स हा आहे. त्याच्यामुळे